Hi everyone, my name is Amarjeet Gupta and today I'm here to make my video. So let's start with MySQL. And MySQL is recently started and the database is very important for backend purpose and how we perform our CRUD operation. CRUD. Create, read, update and delete. I think delete is the greatest, simplest way form. But I think we have not, no, there is no use of a delete operation. Yeah, there is use, but I think in quantity, there is very less quantity. So, my SQL, my SQL. So this is a database and our data, we have a data and we need to store our data in our database in the form of row and column tables. In the form of table, we store our data in MySQL in the form of tables. And in tables, we perform some column activity and row activity. So some activity we are performing by using some functions. We are creating our row, first row, and we are creating our each column. In each column, what we are going to do. For example, if a person is coming on a website, so he must have a unique ID, and he have username, email ID. So we need to store it. So we mix column and each row for millions of people data are stored in the form of row in a table. So how we can find the peoples? So we must have a key which is unique so that we can identify with the help of key for a specific user. So CRUD operation helps and there is also a difference between MX Excel. So we are also storing our information in the form of table, row and column. But there is not a specific, not a, you cannot perform operation of CRUD and in a milliseconds. If you are going to delete some one row, so you takes a lot of time, but we needs to delete, to update or to check the user is exist. We can find any user with the help of ID. So in database, there is a different functionality we have, and we can have accessibility to access in a milliseconds. That's why storing in database, we can store 1 TB data in GB, in TB, but in MS Excel, I don't have heard about someone's have data of 20 GB in his MS Excel. So there is a different functionality. We have to learn how we can update our row and column. We can update our column and we can perform all these operations. And if we need a specific key element, how we can get, and if any person is come for his service, so we can identify by his service and his all the data what he have, what they have. So yeah, that's all about MySQL database, and I think we learned very well. We need to explore more by on the learning. There is a good website in V3 school. So we need to explore all these things on this website. Thank you so much for giving me your time.